Every year, we at Minnesota Farmers Union eagerly anticipate the first Sunday of the Minnesota State Fair, Minnesota Cooks Day, when we have the sincere privilege of hosting a festive celebration of local food and agriculture in Dan Patch Park. Minnesota is rich in farmland, but not everybody gets to experience the farm. So at Minnesota Cooks Day, we bring stories and food straight from the farm to the state fair. It's a day when we highlight 12 farm-to-table partnerships from around the state, honoring our farmers who grow and raise food, and recognizing the chefs and restaurants committed to partnering with farmers, thereby helping them earn a living and stay on the land with their vital purchasing power. I'm Claudine Arndt, and I'm the program manager of Minnesota Cooks, the premier local foods program of Minnesota Farmers Union, a grassroots farm organization that advocates on behalf of family farmers. On Minnesota Cooks Day, our passionate local foods community comes together for cooking demonstrations, lively storytelling, and discussions with farmers, chefs, and celebrity panelists ranging from politicians and journalists to artists and musicians, all moderated throughout the years by pillars of our local foods community like these friends of the program.
Hey everybody, it's Stephanie March from Minneapolis St. Paul Magazine, and yes, I'm missing all my fried foods at the fair, but I'm really also missing the Minnesota Cook Stage, because Minnesota Cook Stage is where farmers and eaters get to meet up and actually learn from each other, and it's a really great part of the fair. If I would say one word that it means to me, it's connection, which is so important these days. So see you guys in 2021.
Hi, I'm Mary Lahammer, anchor reporter for Twin Cities Public Television and host of Minnesota Cooks. And the day is all about food and family. This one, 16 years ago, was a baby in my arms as I was a celebrity taster for Minnesota Cooks. Later was able to take over from Chef Andrew Zimmern and become the host. If I could sum it all up in one word, it would be delicious.
Every great celebration needs food, and we've got some of the best. Delicious samples of the dishes created on stage, like grilled hanger steaks with Swiss chard and tomato, the world's best cinnamon rolls, farmers market panzanella, cherry madeleines, and much more, all made using ingredients from Minnesota farmers.
It was a great honor to be included in the program, and I think it's a wonderful acknowledgement of all the chefs and restaurants that are so critical to supporting us small farms.
The day at the fair was a really neat connection between ourselves and one of our most important restaurant customers.
Minnesota Cooks, a group that has reached out to the general public to provide education, wonderful flavors, nutrition, and helps the small restaurant community at the same time. My experience over the years with them has been nothing short of exhilarating.
Farming has never been easy, and farming will never be easy. Minnesota Cooks Day is one day when we roll out the red carpet for our farmers and chefs who support them and celebrate all they have to offer us. We encourage consumers to spend their dollars on Minnesota-grown foods, which secures local markets for farmers. So we're asking you, in a year when nothing has been easy, please remember our state's farmers and choose to support local foods now more than ever by shopping at a farmer's market, buying directly from a farmer, or dining at restaurants that buy directly from farmers. A huge thank you to the Minnesota State Fair for giving us an opportunity to shine the light on agriculture, and we are also so grateful to the 40+ volunteers who make Minnesota Cooks Day possible every year.
I'm Katie Bodo of Coffernery Creamery. I have a small goat dairy and farm down in the Driftless region of southeast Minnesota, where I make artisan goat cheese. And this is Dolly, who is also pictured with me in the 2018 Minnesota Cooks calendar. Minnesota Cooks program, to me, is all about storytelling. I think that storytelling and connecting people to the food and the land in that way is a hugely important puzzle piece in building a resilient local food system. However, farmers, like myself, are usually a little shy, and we don't really like talking about ourselves very much. But I don't know any farmer who doesn't love telling a good story. And at the state fair, the Minnesota Cooks program encourages us to do just that. And they even put us on a big platform to make sure that plenty of people can hear us and see us. So thank you to the Minnesota Cooks program for helping us share our stories.